What's going on, guys? It's Anthony, and in today's video we are going to be checking out the brand new ActiveTrack feature which just came on the DJI Mavic 3. It was a part of the big update that just happened a few days ago, which gave us a lot of new features like master shots and hyperlapse. But we also got ActiveTrack. Now, I'm in this big field here in Phoenix, and I'm just gonna be playing with it in the field. There's plenty of space. I'm gonna walk around and have it track me just to see how it works and play with the other features that come with it. So let's get the drone up in the sky and start playing with ActiveTrack. Okay guys, so I've got the drone up in the air right now, and what you wanna do to access ActiveTrack is you want to select your subject that you're going to be tracking. The drone can recognize people, vehicles, things of that nature. But in this example, we're gonna be tracking me. So I'm just going to put my finger on the screen and select what I want to track. As you can see, if you look at me on the screen, it notices that I'm a person with a little person running, and we have ActiveTrack, Spotlight, and POI, which is point of interest. So I'm gonna select ActiveTrack. So what you can do with this is you can choose where you want the drone. So right now it's behind me. If I basically press right, it'll then track me from the right, I think. So let's see how this works. So I'm gonna walk around here. Right now I'm walking toward the drone. There it is. Now it's moving to my right. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna record on the drone here too. So as you guys can see right now, the drone is tracking me. Let's see, and now I'm walking back toward the camera. Let's see what it's doing. Moving back to my right. That's pretty cool. I'll walk toward it now. Let's see if it moves to the right again. Wow, so that's pretty cool. Now if I go here and I tap behind, so it's kind of like a first-person video game. Let's try that. Now I'm walking at it. Let's see if it knows to get behind me. Not quite doing it yet. There we go, now it's behind me. Now it kind of feels like a first-person video game, so that's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna stop, and I'm going to choose front. Let's see, I feel like it's trying to. Can't quite figure it out. It's like weirdly flying at me and doing some weird stuff. I'm just gonna walk and see what happens. There we go. There we go, now it's in front of me. So it's doing a pretty good job. Once it starts to detect movement, it's just doing a lot of weird stuff. I wonder if I back it up a little bit, like, can I do that in ActiveTrack? No, it doesn't seem like the sticks do anything when I touch them. Interesting. So I'm just gonna keep walking toward it. So yeah, ActiveTrack works pretty good. I'm gonna change directions on it here. It definitely is, you know, the drone's doing a lot of interesting movements right now, but it's keeping me in its view and it's trying its best to track me. So that's really cool. So now I'm gonna hit stop recording. And now it's just in Spotlight. So I think the drone will just stay still in Spotlight, and it will just basically stay where it's at and keep me in frame. So that's pretty cool. And then there is point of interest. So tap go and the aircraft will circle the subject automatically. Okay, that's cool. Let's try it. Go. So now the drone is just circling me by itself. And I wonder if I move, if it'll still like circle me. Yeah, I'm moving and it's still following me, but it's not circling me, it's just following me now. But let's stop again. There we go, now it continues its circle. So as you guys can see, these features work pretty good. Not gonna lie, they work pretty good. It definitely would be cooler if there was something cooler than me just standing in a field, but this is really me trying out ActiveTrack for the first time. In my update video, I kind of talked about ActiveTrack and did a little demo of it, but this is more showing you guys actual ActiveTrack, point of interest, and the other one, Spotlight. So overall, these features work pretty well. I definitely feel like ActiveTrack was a little crazy when I turned it on, not gonna lie. It was definitely a little, the drone was a little sporadic, but I also have the drone really close to me, and you know, it's kind of a weird example, I guess. But I'm gonna hit stop and bring the drone in. So guys, that was a little demo of how ActiveTrack works. I'm happy with it. I'm excited to try it on different things. I definitely would like to try it on a moving vehicle. I definitely need another person to help me with that. Yeah, very cool, and definitely gonna do more videos on ActiveTrack for sure with different subjects. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos. And also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way it ranks higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.